Today we're going to be reviewing the 4-pack of 14-foot ratchet straps purchased from one of the big box stores. I believe this brand is Performax, which is sold through Menards. SKU number is 235-3640. This model actually comes in multiple different sizes. 14 foot is what I went with, but I will list the other sizes below. All the other sizes are the same ratchet style and securing brackets, but of course will just be for different lengths. Now on the back side, you'll find that this container is sealed with Phillips screws. If you're like me, you're going to purchase this when you need to, and you may or may not have your screwdriver set with you, which is not a big issue. You can actually open this container up just by ripping the paper off on the back, though I will say that it is quite a bit less effort to take the screws off, but ripping into it's probably the way most of us are going to get in. Okay, now that you've seen me struggling just ripping cardboard off, again, all 4 of the ratchet straps in here are going to, let me see if I can get a better camera angle here. All 4 of the straps are going to come in with clips on both sides. The clips are spring strung, so as you can see, basically when you attach it to something, it's got a spring guard on there to clasp it, so when you put it in, it can't slide back out without you releasing that. Now, I don't see a whole lot of shipping straps or cargo straps with this feature, but one of the biggest features that I'm starting to see on these, at least the Menards straps, is that they're putting a Velcro side on here for you. So if you're anything like me, I buy 14-foot straps. I only need about an 8-foot strap most of the time, but I would much rather have a long strap than a short strap. So you always ask yourself, what are you going to do when you're done? Well, typically when I am done and I've got, let's say 4 foot of this left, I wrap it around something, typically my roof racks on my car, and then I'm just going to spin this around and attach it. Now that attaches it. I didn't have to tie that down. I'm not going to have a loose tail flapping in the wind, getting caught on things. I don't have to be the guy who throws his loose ends through the back door and then tries to close the door rapidly, or has to constantly be pulling them back in. So this Velcro strap definitely makes the big difference for us on the quality of the ratchet strap sets themselves. Now, the straps are very good, but the parts that we're after are probably actually the ratchet. Oops. It is easier to do than what I am making it look like. To pull these out, all you have to do is finagle the strap off of the